Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about New York City's rampant subway crime increase in recent years.
Subway. Terrified passengers ducking for cover Thursday evening, huddled together, screaming in horror in this crowded downtown Brooklyn station.
The New York City subway system, a show of force after a series of violent
Here's a
attacks.
female NYPD talking about how she feels unsafe in New York City. Now, can you imagine being a regular citizen living in NYC?
As an NYPD employee, fearful of my safety.
While crime in the city overall is down, the start of the year has seen a spike in the subways, and the governor says it's giving riders anxiety.
Saying things are getting better doesn't make you feel better, especially when you've just heard about someone being slashed in the throat or thrown onto a subway tracks.
750 National Guard members, along with 250 state and transit police officers, will patrol the platforms and check bags for weapons, joined by teams of mental health workers. The deployment comes after a subway conductor's throat was slashed just last week. Our station WABC was there when that conductor met the doctor who was on the train and saved his life.
God bless you. You're a good man. You're my angel.
The MTA announcing a 1,000 state police, MTA officers, even members of New York's National Guard will now support random bag checks in subway stations. Now, it's something commuters may have seen already this week by NYPD teams. In addition, the program announced by the governor would address recidivism, banning violent offenders who assault other passengers. Now, in announcing that bill, the governor also shouted out judges, asking them to use their discretion to set bail to keep repeat offenders.
This is what New York City looks like now. Watch me as walk around it.
There is a train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7-stop train. The next stop is Metz Willets Point.
81, I am 2 years old and all speed. I'm teaming up with the FDA to spread awareness about the danger of subway drinking. The consequences are serious and clearly fatal. Don't lose your life. Ride inside, stay alive.